and then that would be 200ths. And then I want to compare 1/3 with that. And then I'm going to do, let's see, 0, 3, 4, and 2, 1. Okay, so I've got several different decimals here. I have 200ths, I have 1300ths, I have 34 thousandths, and I have 2100ths. Okay, so we want to, let's just say, put these in order from the least to the greatest. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is our tenths column. Okay, we want to find the smallest amounts in that tenths column. I have a 0 here and a 0 here, which are zeros smaller than 1 or 2. So the smallest amount either has to be this one or this one. So since I have a 0 here and a 0 here, I go to my next column, which is the hundredths, and I compare my numbers there. Well, I have 0,2 here and a 0,3 here. Well, 0,2 is smaller than 3, so my smallest digit is going to be 200ths. So 0.02, that's my smallest one. Okay, let's see, so we know that the next, no, can't do the next one because I have a 4 right there. One thing I can do, I can put zeros in here, can I? And have all the columns have something in there. Okay, so I'm going to look at my tenths again. I have a 0 there, I have a 3 there, which is larger than my 2, and then I have a 4 thousandths. Well, since I only have a 0 here, that 1 and 2 are going to make that decimal, these decimals will be larger than this one. So my next smallest is going to be 0.034. And the reason I have a 0 there is just to show that we have no ones. We have no whole numbers in its place. So this is my first smallest. This is my second smallest. Now we have 1300ths and 2100ths. Well, go back to your tenths column. 1 is smaller than 2, so this is going to be my next smallest, 0.13. That'll be the third smallest, and then the largest will be 0.21 or 2100ths. Okay, so let's do this one more time. Let's say I have 0, 0, 0, and here I have 34, and here I have 32, and here I have 21. Okay, so in this case, I have zeros for all my tenths. So I'll go to my hundredths column. Well, I have 2 with a 3 in there, and 1 with a 2. So the 2 is going to be the smallest. Okay, so now we want to see which one is the next smallest. Well, I have a 3 here and a 3 here, so I go to my thousandths column. 2 is smaller than 4, so this will be the second smallest number. And this right here will be the largest decimal. Okay, I hope that made a bit of sense to you. Just like whole numbers, 3 is going to be larger than 2, and 2 is going to be larger than 1. If I had decimals connected to those, let's say I have 3.21, and I have 3.31, and I have 1.41. Well, this is still going to make this the smallest, this the next, and that the largest amount, no matter what's going on over here. But if I had 2, 2, and 2, and then I had a 3 there, and a 4 there, and a 5 there, have the same whole numbers, so I have to look at my tenths. Well, 3 is smaller than 4, and 4 is smaller than 5, so they're already in order from the smallest to the largest. Okay, I believe that will help you all with that worksheet. So I'll be back next time with some more lessons. See you next time.